Hello, my lovely friends. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So, this is the episode 2 of the series A Ride to Mountain. Here, I welcome all of you to this second episode of the series. Now, we are entering into the Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary. So, let's roll the wheel. The road is not good at all here. As you can see, lots of patches are there, which is making it quite difficult to keep the camera stable. But the surrounding ambience is beyond of any elaboration, beyond of any explanation. It's just 10 on 10, so perfect. We are now crossing the Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary Jungle Safari Gate. From here, jungle safari on elephant or jeep safaris, all these things are done, which take the tourists to the core areas of the jungle. We are now at the Kumani point. From here, if we take left, we will go Samsing, Meteli, Sumtali Khola, and if we turn right, we will go Bindu, Jhalong, Rongo, and we took the right turn. The uphill riding is already started and we are enjoying it thoroughly. I am completely speechless, totally hypnotized by the beauty of the nature. This road, man, this is life. Just keep exploring. Just you need to get out of your comfort zone and see the beauty around us. Try to find it out in every objects of nature, in every particles of nature. Just open up your mind, your eyes, your inner sense to feel the beauty around us. I find this road like a supreme red carpet, and these trees, all of these are like royal guards, and as if they are giving us a grand welcome to their kingdom.
ছবি তুলছিলাম,
এটা
আমি তুলছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ
ওই যে রেস্টুরেন্টটা,
জলে জলে যে
ওই জলেরও ভিডিও করছিলাম। এগুলো সব ভিডিও আছে আমার।
তুলছে
না গো,
পাহাড় পাহাড়
This is for the very first time I'm doing such steep uphill riding, and the excitement level has reached to the zenith. Wow! See such a sharp hairpin turn. Wow! That is what we have been longing for to experience for a long period of time. Yes, now the riding is getting much and much thrilling.
भैया झालोंग जाने का रास्ता तो यही है ना सीधा मोड़ से लेफ्ट राइट साइड में
রাইট সাইড হচ্ছে ঝালং আর সোজা গেলে দিল্লি।
From this fork in the road, if we turn left, we will go Bindu, and if we turn right, we will go Chalong. And we took the right turn. And now we reached the Chalong viewpoint. Just see what is waiting in front of us. Wow.